Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 6.1.4 and we are going to install an RPM package. So the IT manager in your organization has asked you to install the font config 310875 FC24 RPM package. Complete this lab from the terminal. So in this lab, the task is to switch to the root user using a password that is provided, and you must have root user permission to install packages. You will not see the password as it is being typed. Install the font config package. The package is located in the /home/redams/downloads history. Verify that the font config package has been installed. So guys, that is all we need to do in this lab. We'll just go ahead and start lab. Alright, so we'll just wait for the lab to load. So in case you need a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get inside perks and one-on-one detailed video on how to solve any of the lab. So we're still waiting for this to load. Alright, so this terminal has loaded. Let us start up right away. So we open up terminal and let us start up with a false start. We're going to type in pursue dash, we press enter. So we type out the password that was provided. Although the password will not be visible as you type it, don't worry. When you're done typing out the password, you press enter. So here's the password that we typed in. Alright, so we type in RPM space dash IVH space /home/redams/download. /font config. -3.10.87 -5 .fc24 RPM, and we press enter and wait for it. It's supposed to be RPM space dash Q space font config. Okay, so that is it. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.